Well, my home garage, if you haven't seen it before, still a poop hole, but much less than it was. I still need to tidy stuff, but we just ain't got time. I've got an hour or so now before Frank arrives. So yeah, fitted those lights ages ago. Now they all got paint over them. Well, I turned it into a paint booth once. Yeah, they do. I think it will fit. It's going to all be tight, but it's what we're going to live with. Bit of a weird garage because we've got a sort of a single garage door here and a little side door there. So we've got quite wide at that, but then as you can see, our whole house sort of garden tapers. Our garden just tapers to nothing. Anyway, yeah, that's a mess bench down there with the old TIG weld on it. We've got a MIG there, and we've got a load of cack piled out back. All the rest of the body kit and everything, it's all come across. So yeah, let's go button up Frank and bring him home. Well, cheers everyone, end of an era here. We're downsizing for a little bit, but we're still going to be doing videos, so hopefully you stick with me. And yeah, let's get Frank home. Well, Frank's home. It's only just fitted. To be fair, I've got a bit of space. I could have been a fraction closer. Yeah. Actually, to be honest, it's lucky it's not a single garage because it would have been really tight. But look, we've got, I don't look like much, and people with big places, loads of them, but I've got somewhere to lay. I can do something, you know. It might be better we move the welder up to that end. And yeah, it fits. Just hopefully the garage door comes down. I'm trying to sort out a wide angle lens. I think I've got one in the Amazon wish list. I'll try and sort something out just because I think I'm going to need a wide angle just to try and at least help you guys actually see what I'm doing, because it's a little bit ridiculous. Well, maybe a little bit of a different sound in here, a bit of echo. We're in. The garage door just shut. Much easier if I try and reverse it in sometimes, but then the trouble is I don't know if I've got room to actually get out. We'll have to try that next time. But as you can see, look, there's the width of the garage door. We've actually got that the same the other side. Yes, it's going to be a bit tight working on a 6R4. I think what we're going to have to do, we'll have to be trying pragmatic about this, is that we might not be able to keep the body kit on all the time to start with while we're doing the rest of the work, because, you know, body kit, once we've mounted a wing and body kit on, we can take it off again. We know it's mounted. We can then work on like things like the filler cap and bits of welding and the roll cage. You don't need the whole body kit on for that. The same as the front here, you know, we've got all this lights to do, but also if we're thinking about the IVA, we need some sort of grille type thing, you know, something else to cover all this up. So again, all that sort of stuff, we can just push the car back a bit, work on it and do that. We're just gonna have to do the best we can, you know, and I've got some welding to do underneath still a little bit. We're just gonna have to do our best. We're just gonna have to get it up on the ramps. As I said, as you can see, my door, I've got a big garage door there, 7 foot wide, and then you've got a little 3 foot door there. So I'm thinking one of the next stages to do over the next few weeks is build new garage doors that are split, because the cable's gone in this one. So again, it was all dodgy when I first got it 23 years ago, but it's gone a few times now. Anyway, so it doesn't go up very well. It comes down damn quick. So yeah, we'll make 2 doors that open outwards, and then we could maybe, once they open out a good sort of, you know, 1.5 meters each, we could then put some other doors on them, sort of, you know, if you block, not bifocals, whatever they're called, you know, where they then fold out to them again, so we can actually sort of like extend our garage while we're working on stuff just at the weekends, and then once we finish, we all close it all back up again. That's my idea. So if you haven't understood that this video is going to be a bit of a waffle, I did have a Wetherspoons at lunch to treat myself after all this tidying up, and now we're back home. But the daughter is cooking a little bit of a pizza, so I might have a couple of little chunks of that. So let us know what you're having. So again, thanks for all the support so far and all the bean. It's been yeah, amazing. We are downsizing a little bit, but as I said, I'm grateful that I've actually got a place to put it, and I'm grateful that my dad's taken a few cars off me. It is, yeah. So I do like the orange and green. So yeah, it does fit. I think we can make a bit more space if we move the argon bottle as well. We can get that tucked up around the side. And yeah, look, we've even got a bit of space to stand here. So it does fit. It is a Metro. I don't want to go too berserk and go for any much more bigger car. I don't think we can do much with the toolbox. It'd be nice if we put the toolbox somewhere else, but in the end I've got the mess of this bench. And we've got to deal with it. Yeah, so one last thing, so just again, say thank you to everyone for supporting me. If you want to help anyway, check out the description down below. There's Patreon pages, there's an Amazon wish list if you want to do that. Hitting the like button is the most important thing, and the little notification bell, that really helps. Obviously, if you're not subscribed, but please subscribe. And yeah, so we'll try and get our matte green poster up on the wall. It'd be nice over the next month or so to at least paint the floor again and clean it up a little bit, but yeah, we're going to have to figure out how we're going to work in this environment. I've done it a while before, slightly smaller with a Mini, but it is possible. You just got to be ingenuitive. And yeah. Start of chapter 3, matte green 2.1. We won't say 3 just yet. Managed to get hold of a local farm that had a container on it, 20-footer, so that's come in handy because I put a load of stuff down there, and I don't know, I was panicking a bit Sunday. So guy seems really nice down there, and there is some units down there, none available at the moment, but there's space and things, and I think something might happen. So we still got a future. But anyway, have a good evening. Short video, but I just wanted to say an update. We're back. It's Wednesday now, I expect by the time you watch this. Saturday, yeah, we walk from the house that's there. You can see all the other colours cars I paint, all there. Yeah, see there's a red hot, jet black, primer maybe, and then we've got a bit of the old Mark 1. So if you haven't checked out any of the videos, they're all in there. Maybe not the red hot, because that was before I started doing YouTube. But yeah, we should put a bit of white on the wall really as well, shouldn't we? Have got low level lighting that I fitted years ago. It's not on, but yeah, you'll see that next time, honest. And yeah, I know I've still got to tidy up, but the unbelievable amount of tidying I've already done in the last 3 days. But yes, I could do more. All right, till next time, say goodnight, Frank. Good night, Frank.